I'm Rachel. I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In today's video we'll be painting this floral tiger design. This painting is really colourful and it was so much fun to create, and I hope you enjoy creating your own version. This is a shortened version, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial in real time with step-by-step instructions, then this is available on my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art. I'll add a link in the description of this video if you're interested. The full-length tutorial is almost 3 hours long, and it also comes with the reference photo and line drawings for this design. I chose a dark green background for this painting as I wanted it to look as if the tiger is coming out of the bushes. I knew that I wanted to include some flowers in the foreground of this painting, so I also added some splashes of pink to the background so that it gives the effect of blurred flowers in the distance. I'll be creating a video soon showing you how to paint the flowers that we'll be doing at the end of this video, so when I've done that I will add it to the description for you. I wanted this painting to have a lot of texture, so I used a palette knife as well as thick brushstrokes to create this effect. I really love adding some texture to my paintings. I think it helps to add interest and it really adds to the charm of it being an original painting. I've painted a few tigers before, but this one is definitely the most colourful so far. I used bright yellow paint to paint the highlights, as well as orange and pink paints for the midtones. I sketched out the outline of the tiger before I started painting so that I knew where the stripes were going to be. This saves a lot of time and stress, and it helps me to relax and enjoy the painting process without worrying that I'll paint something in the wrong place. This way I can just fill in the sections with colourful paint and see it all come together. I used acrylic paints to create this painting. If you want to know all of the exact colours and brands of paint that I use, then this is all available with the full-length tutorial. I love creating art tutorials with acrylics as they are easy to use for painters of any level. They're also really forgiving, so if you make any mistakes you can just wait for them to dry and paint straight over the top. So if you decide that you don't like a certain colour or brushstroke, there's no need to stress. I think it's really important that we enjoy the process of painting, so reducing the things that may cause us stress is a great idea. I really hope you enjoy watching the process of this painting coming together. I had so much fun painting it and I hope that you do too.